po, yes.
The cash equivalent. Tama ba?
The cash is, yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So who chooses where to go? Who chooses that I use it for unprogrammed and not programmed?
At the point that there is a trigger and there's a corresponding request from the agencies which fall under the purposes identified under the unprogrammed appropriations, then there's no need to prioritize one or the other. Both can be released. But of course, the sources of financing.
No, it can be both. It's just 1 peso. Diba? 1 peso lang yung pwede mong ibigay, ilaan. Sinong pumipili kung saan mo ilalagay yon? Sa unprogrammed or programmed? Na-trigger ng unprogrammed. Pwede nang ilagay. So, kung pwede natin gamitin yon for unprogrammed, yes. The answer is yes.
Yes.
Kung pwede natin gamitin yon for program, the answer is also yes.
Yes.
Correct? So, sino nagde-decide? Yung pisong yon?
May I clarify,
Sige
Your
po.
Honor? When we propose the budget, there's an expenditure and a source of financing. And while we may not have all the cash for the sources of financing, and this is composed of both revenues and borrowings, these revenues and borrowings are already programmed and planned. So if we have committed to provide sources of financing for the programmed appropriations, that means that the national government is ready and willing to provide the corresponding source of financing for
Okay. So, in other words, you got to trigger the unprogrammed and it gets spent for unprogrammed. Because at the end of the day, for programmed appropriations, government is ready to fulfill that.
Yes, Your
Kasi hindi nga safety deposit box, parang bangko.
Yes, Your
diba?
Honor.
But we now have an Iran war. And the Iran war has screwed up my income revenue stream, projected. So I know that in Q4, I won't be able to fund my 5 billion project. Kasi nakuha na ng unprogrammed yung 1 billion eh. So, I need 1.5. Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And government, as you just said, will make sure that program is implemented. This priority plan of the president.
Yes, Your Honor.
It will borrow.
Yes, Your Honor.
Therefore, it has an effect on the deficit. Yes?
Yes, Your
It has. And therefore, if you increase the unprogrammed and spend it, forcing you to borrow for programmed activities and projects, you are increasing the deficit.
If you're borrowing for the program, that should still be within the target deficit for the fiscal year.
No, my situation again is they are triggered both ways. You're putting it now to unprogrammed, and you can, per the language, because it's in the language.
Opo.
Pero nawalan ako ng 1.5 billion to finish my 5 billion sa program. Hihiram ako ng 1.5.
If I may clarify, Your Honor, what I spent for the unprogrammed was not considered in the BESF as a source of financing for the program.
But it was financing because of over-collections.
Yes, Your Honor.
Correct?
Yes, Your
So
Honor.
it could actually finance or fund my PAP in the program.
It could have resulted in a lower deficit if we used the excess collection.
Yes.
But it would not using it for UA would not necessarily increase the deficit.
Correct. Except that I have the
programmed by
Iran war and I have to borrow money to finish my 5 billion project. In that situation, the budget deficit is affected, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Adversely.
Yes, Your Honor.
So it is not accurate to say that unprogrammed appropriations are deficit neutral. Under the language of your special provisions. Because your special provisions allow to fund unprogrammed appropriations for any increase in any item, as opposed to the total.
Yes,
If it
Your
were the
Honor.
total, I'll agree with you, it is neutral. But the way it is couch the language which allows me to use in any item an excess to fund UA, that makes it not neutral, right?
If I may clarify, Your Honor, looking at unprogrammed appropriations in isolation, it is deficit neutral.
Yes.
But-
But once triggered,
But- If we relate the possibility of using the excess revenue to fund programmed appropriations instead of borrowing, then that's the
it
time.
will lessen the budget, the deficit. But that's not what's happening. What's happening is the moment the trigger is triggered, it goes to UA. Then bahala na si Batman sa program.
In accordance with the GAA provisions as enacted by Congress, Your Honor.
So I guess that's where I'm coming from. I don't think it's accurate to say that unprogrammed appropriations are deficit neutral. In a situation where you have provisions in your GAA that allow you to take from any source, that has an effect on the deficit. Are we in agreement with that? You see, my problem, I'll be very candid with you. My problem is not unprogrammed appropriations as a concept. I totally agree with Congressman Salceda. And I also agree with Secretary Jokno. We need that, especially for foreign-assisted projects, right? So my problem really is the triggers. Why are the triggers that way? They're creating artificial surpluses. So, again, my line of questioning is only to clarify, totoo nga bang walang epekto ang program? Parang hindi. Once matrigger. You're smiling, so I think you're saying yes?
Your Honor, if there's a basic concept on the executive end that when we propose the budget, considering we're in a deficit budget, when we propose the budget, the BESF already anticipates a certain level of borrowing and a certain level of deficit. So that's an accepted programmed amount in the BESF.
Correct. But if that happens and I earn more, why can't I use it for program? There's no law that says I cannot use it for program, right?
There's no law, Your Honor.
It will, in fact, decrease the deficit, correct?
It could, Your Honor.
But that's not what's happening. What's happening is the moment any of those triggers are triggered, UA.
In accordance with the special provisions, Your Honor.
Yes. So therefore, I'm not wrong in saying that there seems to be a choice already that once one of those triggers get triggered, it goes to UA. And if I cannot fund my programmed appropriation, I have no choice but to borrow. And it will increase the deficit. I think that is what Chairman Solita Monsod was mentioning. It is increasing the budget deficit.
We have no choice but to borrow. But if it's in line with the programmed amount in the BSF, then it will be within the acceptable deficit
Okay.
programmed by the executive.
Okay. Thank you.
Respectfully, Your Honor.
Thank you so much.